बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल शाहरोज़ल इन्फो पर मैं आपको खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। जिस भाई ने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है वो यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली वीडियो आप तक बआसानी पहुँच सकें। चले फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ जनरल नॉलेज सोल्व MCQs। Question number 1. National Code of Pakistan is correct answer PK. Question number 2. Where is Warsak Dam of Pakistan situated? Correct answer Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Question number 3. Shakarparian is situated in correct answer Islamabad. Question number 4. Identify the largest cantonment of Pakistan. Correct answer Kharian Kent. Sawal number 5. Which city of Pakistan held the OIC conference in 1997? Correct answer Islamabad. Question number 6. In which year was OIC founded? Correct answer 1969. Question number 7. Length of common border of Pakistan and Afghanistan is? Correct answer 2430 km. Question number 8. The largest incident happened in? Correct answer 1999. Question number 9. When was Liaquat Nehru Pact between India and Pakistan signed? Correct answer 1950. Question number 10. Who was the first woman governor of State Bank of Pakistan? Correct answer Dr. Shamshad Akhtar. Question number 11. Mirpur is a famous city of? Correct answer Azad Kashmir. Question number 12. What is the total area of Balochistan province? Correct answer 3,47,190 square kilometer. Question number 13. What is the total area of Sindh province? Correct answer 1,40,914 km square. Question number 14. What is the total area of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province without merge area? 74,521 square kilometer. Question number 15. What is the total area of FATA? 27,220 square kilometer. Question number 16. What is the total area of ICT? Correct answer 906 square kilometer. Question number 17. GHQ stands for? Correct answer General Headquarters. Question number 19. KRL stand for? Correct answer Kahota Research Laboratories. Question number 20. Who was the first C of Pakistan Navy? Correct answer Jefford James. Question number 21. Frank Messery was the first C of? Correct answer Pak Army. Question number 22. Perry Cane was the first C of? Correct answer Pakistan Air Force. Question number 23. The first Chief of Staff of Pak Army was? Correct answer General Taka Khan. Question number 24. Zafar Ahmad Chokri was the first chief of air staff of? Correct answer, Air Force. Question number 25. Defense Day is observed on? Correct answer, 6 September. फ्रेंड्स, इस तरह की बेहतरीन मुफीद मालूमात वीडियो हासिल करने के लिए मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। शुक्रिया।